This video is about the challenges of home ownership. Julie spends a lot of time in the studio above the garage, but it's not winterized, so I have to turn off the water. She was up there one day and she got sick and she threw up in the toilet. I had to turn the water back on and I forgot to turn it off, and so one of the pipes froze. Well, that's no big deal. I know how to solder and repair copper pipe, and that's where the problem starts. And I have a cold and I'm not feeling well. But we're gonna get this done. The pipe that broke wasn't a copper pipe. It's something called Fostepex. It's surrounded by this plastic and a little thin sliver of metal. And for any standard fitting to work, you've got to remove that. It's back under the sink. Wish me luck. Very exciting. Ta-da! I meant to cut it longer. This bad boy. So I gotta give a shout out to Republic Plumbing Supply. These guys have been so helpful. If you ever need anything, go to these people. We're in good shape. Okay, here's the fun part. Hard to believe that success. It ain't leaking. No!